Hi, and welcome to another edition of Lee's Thoughts. And today, a vendor sent me a product, and this is a free product. This is a paid shoppable video, and this is a small ceiling fan that you can just plug into your normal light bulb outlet, your regular light bulb outlet. So, if, like, you have a light bulb outlet out on your patio or in your garage. In this case, I'm going to install it in my garage to show you. But I've already put one of the blades in, and it has a light here, and it just simply plugs into. Now you want to have a good, strong, outlet, because it's going to have a little torque on it. So you want to have a good, strong outlet to plug it into. But you just install the blades like so. It does take a little bit of effort to put the blades in. I did notice that. But they go in. So we've got all the blades in. Like that. So the only thing left to do is, it does have a remote control. That's pretty cool too, remote control. So the only thing left to do is go plug this in. I'm going to put it in my garage. There you go. So you can see that bag blowing. It's putting out some pretty decent air. And then you just turn it off. Pretty nice. Pretty nice. So if you're looking for a little fan to move some air, go out and get this plug-in fan that just plugs into your regular outlet. Very nice.